Now we are at home and we are going to install the device. Look at the button. The device has 4 little plastic things to keep the device stable on the table or floor, or depends on if you want to put it. Now let's plug in it. It works with an app on your phone, so you will have to download the app as well, but that was pretty simple, and the WOpet guide or instruction book will help you. Just watch the video and how I did it. We have already installed the device, and now we have to wait for the system to recognize us.
Pairing. Paired successfully.
It's ready. Now we are going to open the app on my phone and let's see how it works. I'm opening the device first and look how it's inside. Now we are going to add some cookies inside, and remember guys, they must be small. Now we close the device and let's see how it works. Wow, the images are very clear in HD. Now let's try the microphone.
Candy, do you want a cookie? Cookie. Galleta. Candy. ¿Quieres una galleta? Galleta. Candy.
Ella es tan inteligente.
Ella es tan inteligente.
Stay.
Stay. Stay.
Stay.
Stay.